Well, hello and welcome to another episode of snakeriverjunction. My name is Gary. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I kitbashed an engine shed. So check it out. I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be working on a industry building. It's the Pikestuff engine house. It's a Kitbash kit. It includes two side panels, front, another back panel, two roof panels. I have to make mine a little smaller to mark it where I need to cut it. Yeah, could get away right here where the tape is, but I decided to go a little wider. Get in right in between the panel here. Same thing on the other side. It's pretty easy. It's got on the back, it's got areas for windows, some doors. So I marked out where I want to cut the windows and the door, one side, and then just the one door on the other side. The rear, even though it has these cutouts, I'm going to leave them. That's if you want to do a pass-through. Cut out the one and stuck this side, trimming on. See what it looks like. I am going to cut out this one and put the like a pull-up door on it, so maybe like that. This way they could bring some cranes or something in there. Yeah. Comes with some roof supports. I believe these might be downspouts. It's got a package of, trim, some other doors, windows. So I'm going to cut out the panel. So you want to get an X-Acto knife, new blade, and carefully cut it along that area. I'm using the metal ruler as a straight edge guide, even though there are grooves. It's just a matter of just cutting it down the edge. And before you know it, it's cut out. This, you just want to take your time, cut it out. Getting there. When it's rough area, you can just scrape it or file it down. This trim was snapped, so I gotta glue that. Just filing these little burrs off. And make it slightly wider, it looks like. So I'm gonna continue doing this and come back and show you. It's all done. I cut it out. I glued a trim on it. Then I put the roller door on it. So one panel is done. These side panels, I'm gonna have to cut it. Put a slight angle on it. Same thing there, so that when I put it side piece on like that, it sits nice. I cut the piece off at the end. Get it shorter. Cut out the windows and doors. Glued in the framework. Back door here. Side door, I mean. Put that in. Beveled off the edge a little bit. Both sides. Got all four sides of the walls all glued up. It's at a 90-degree angle. On both sides. Just gonna let it dry. Then work on the roof part of it, because I do have to cut it. Got the roof all on. Now I'm gonna put the vent covers. Got the white ridge cover. Spaced it out. Just got to glue that on, and then the vent. Got a nice straight edge. These have a little vent in it, so I'm going to put it right down the center. The ridge caps are nice and straight and evenly spaced. gluing the downspouts on. All done, just needs a coat of paint. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.